What is going on, guys? It is Sean from Seanbeingsean, and today we got some things to do, so let's do them. Alright guys, so for the first time in a while, it is not, I want to die cold. It has been like 10 degrees recently, so I've been taking the truck everywhere on the ice and the snow. But today is the first day that I am actually going to take Jessie on a real drive. So, yeah, that's one of the things we're going to do. Not grabbing the truck key for the first time in a minute. And there we go. There she is. I'm not scrambling to make sure the seat warmers are on, and that's at 90 degrees and all the way up, and this is awesome. Awesome! It is great to be driving on roads that are not icy and snowy. I mean, I've been having fun in the truck. Trucks are cool and all. I respect truck culture and the part of car culture trucks are. But, you know, you miss driving a sports car if you don't have the chance for a little bit. Just like when Jessie was broken and I was driving the Trailblazer, I was really ready to be back in this car. Today is Thursday, January 10th. So I'm going to be putting out the 717 Rewind tomorrow, Friday the 11th, which will be 2 days ago for you maybe when you see this, because I'm going to put out that tomorrow, so I'm not going to put out this video today because I don't have enough videos to do every day upload. So this will be a little bit after that video comes out. So if you haven't seen the 717 Rewind, please go check that out. The link will be in the description.
If you would have told me a year ago that I would be where I am now, I wouldn't have believed it at all. I'm all red.
There it is. This is the day to clean your car, obviously, because it's the first not gross day in a while. So we have a bunch of people lined up for the stupid automated one. I don't know if I would pay to drive my car through that. But there's a good amount of people here, so I actually do have to wait a minute. Oh yeah. It's insanely nice to not be freezing cold. It's something. Like, 36 degrees is so warm to me right now. It's awesome. My spirit location. Well, this time around Pep Boys didn't have exactly what I was looking for, so we'll probably be back here trying to make something work. But she is real clean right now, and it is incredibly satisfying to see her clean after this gross winter we've been having. Anyway guys, thanks so much for watching this vlog. If you enjoyed it at all, please hit that thumbs up button. If you have anything to say, put that in the comment section below. Hit that subscribe button, that helps me out a bunch. As always guys, I'm just Sean being Sean. Just being me, just be you. Catch you on the flip. Stop fussing, it's me.